Success factor number 6, from zero sales to unlimited sales, and why most of people not even come over this first step from 4 steps. Check it out. Yo, here's the deal. If you are in a position where you have no sales and you want to have unlimited sales, there are actually 4 steps you should take from, as I told you, 0 sales to unlimited sales. The first step you have to do is you have to need a product or a service. This is a kind of the easiest factors in this whole, let's say, system. Everyone can go out and pick an affiliate link or a licensing link or whatever network products or services, and you will get paid commission based if you sell the stuff. That's the easiest way. You can go to ClickBank, JVSU, or wherever. You can grab it and you get this product or service. But then the fun starts, right? The second step is, what do you really sell? You don't sell a product, you don't sell a service. You have to extract the diamond solution from your product or from your service. The diamond solution which solves problems, okay? And here is the part where most people are failing. But anyway, step number 3 is you have to hunt your target. And your target is not a person at all, it's not a company at all. The target you have to hunt is the problem which can be solved with your solution, okay? And then the 4th step is actually the whole sales process. And in this 4th step, you have a 6-element process, which is pre-qualify, qualify, pre-sell, sell, close, and after-sell, okay? Again, pre-qualify, qualify, pre-sale, sale, close, and after sale. That's the 4 steps you have to take. And the cool part is, it's easy to find the product, okay? But if you master the 2nd step, it's like a domino effect after. If you master the 2nd step, is the 2nd step, which actually is extracting the diamond solution, you will know the problem and you will know where you find it, and then actually you will have a little bit problem with the sales process, pre-qualify, qualify, pre-sale, sale, close, and then the after sale, which is optional because probably the company, the product, or the developer of the product has this in place for you, okay? So let's take a piece of paper and again draw this 4 circles down. Circle number 1 is product, circle number 2 is solution, circle number 3 is problem, and circle number 4 includes the sales process. Again, in circle number 4, you have to write pre-qualify, qualify, pre-sell, sale, close, and after sale. And now let's have a look. Let's have a look at your piece of paper and make a decision for yourself. Where are you? Do you have a product? Okay. Do you have extract a solution? Okay. Do you know which problem can be solved with your solution? Okay. Do you know about pre-qualify? Do you know about qualifying prospects? Do you know about pre-sale? Do you know about sale? Do you know about how to close? And do you probably know how to have the service in place, or is this available from your company? Okay. So hope that helps. Make sure you have everything in place. If I can help you, just reach out to me on Facebook. I can teach you anything of that, but make sure you don't trick yourself and be honest to yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, great evening, great morning. See you soon. Thanks.